Hi everyone. So today we're going to talk about measuring, and I am going to use some small things. We can use small things to measure bigger items. So today I'm going to use paper clips, but when you do this at home, you could use paper clips or toothpicks or cotton balls or Q-tips or pencils or crayons. There's lots of options. So you can find something small to use to measure with. I'm using paper clips. And the first thing that I'm going to measure is my phone. I had it here next to me. I want to see how many paper clips long or tall my phone is. So let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My phone is 5 paper clips tall. Now, we know that my phone is 5 paper clips tall, but I want to see about this book. I have a book, and my book is not 5 paper clips tall. Let's see. Let's see if we can measure the whole book. I'm going to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This book is 8 paper clips tall. So my phone was 5 paper clips and the book is 8 paper clips tall. So what I would like for you to do is find something small in your house, like I said, to measure something with. And I want you to find 2 things that you can measure with your small items. And you're going to measure those 2 things and you're going to tell me which one is bigger. So when I'm looking at measuring my phone and measuring my book, then my book was bigger than my phone because it was 8 and my phone was only 5. So you're going to do the same thing. Find 2 things to measure them with your items and tell me which one is bigger.